case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2007, Fancher v. Fagella, a case heard by the Supreme Court of Appeals of Virginia, dealt with the responsibility of a property owner to prevent damage caused by their trees, branches, and roots to their neighbor's property. Two adjoining property owners in Fairfax County, Richard A. Fancher and Joseph B. Fagella, found themselves at odds as Fancher sued Fagella, claiming that his neighbor's large sweet gum tree had caused significant and continuous structural damage to his property. The invasive root system had damaged the retaining wall, patio pavers, and had blocked sewer and water pipes. Additionally, Fancher complained about overhanging branches on his roof and rain gutters. Fancher requested an injunction to remove the tree and damages to restore the property. However, the court denied the injunction for tree removal, but retained the claim for damages. Instead, the court adopted the Hawaii approach, which focused on reasonable landowner actions and allowed injunctive relief in cases of harm. This approach permits the court to grant an injunction to avoid a multiplicity of actions at law, even if each increment of trespass is trivial or the damage is trifling. The decision was based on the relative benefit to the plaintiff, injury to the defendant, and public burden. The court considered fair relief as a possible option and maintained the law of self-help, allowing the adjoining landowner to cut away encroaching vegetation to the property line at their own expense.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.